Welcome back guys to a new video. Today I'm going to show you the 6 best Windows secret tricks. Yes, in this video I'm going to show you that. So there's also some shutdown tricks. I don't going to show you them because then my PC gets shut down. You can try in your PC then. Okay. So let's start the video without anything except an intro. So, guys, first one is here. It is a slide to sit down. Okay, what is slide to sit down? I'm going to show you that. Is slide to sit down now? Okay, slide to sit down. Win R and here SLID. Okay, slide to SHUT DOWN. Okay, slide to sit down. The spelling must be correct, and then if I hit enter, so if I bring it down, it will sit down. Okay, it's good. And if you do it, you can paste it in command prompt. Yes, you can. Like I'm gonna tell you. Firstly, let's complete this. Okay. Then this is a second step recorder. Mm, you have things like you need to tell your friend like this, like this, like this. So here's the importance of step recorder comes. What step recorder does? Okay, so if you click anything, it will record it as a step. So if I press winr and psr.exe, winr psr.exe, hit enter, it opens slide to step recorder. If I start recording, I click here, I then click here, and I do it like this. I open this, do more, I think, slide slow from current slide. Then here's the thing, stop and review. Here's the everything that I clicked, and these many things. See this. Here you can see that. Okay, and here's also the some description of it, when and how I did it. See this you, you can see it's too good, so your friend can understand it very easily. You can save it, but I don't want it. Okay, this much. There's it is. You think alt and tab, it's not a good thing. If you do alt and escape, just see it, you can shuffle too. Like if I alt tab, so here's this OBS window, not this one. This is okay. See this. Yes. Sorry, um, I pressed Control Escape. See this. Okay, it's way too easier. You just press Alt and Escape. Okay, and here's battery health report. If I just press this and terminal admin, I have PC, not any laptop, so it won't show anything now. Like if I add here, is the same. CFG, sorry, mind mistake. Oh, I think it will work. Oh, I don't have anything now. I don't have battery. That's why it is not showing. Because I have PC and this quick link admin menu, Windows and X, everyone knows. I don't know why I just add this, but some people don't know this also. Alt F4, Alt F, guys. The last one, shutdown timer. Yes, you can shut down your PC if you add this shutdown. Um, Win R CMD, hit enter. You will open the command prompt. SHUT shut do blame shutdown. Is it correct? Slash S T. If you write H at the place of S, it will hibernate it. You know what's hibernate? And if you add S, it will shut down. Okay. And time, I will like add 600 uh, seconds. In seconds, it is. So it will about what we can say 10 minutes. And then if I hit enter, see, in 10 minutes my PC will go shut down. If I think yes, if I type A, it is cancelled. You see, it's cancelled. So if I just close it, then if I just create a new text document over here, I just do this. What the thing is, to CMD it is now. Okay. Edit notepad and see. um I just create this hibernate. It will hibernate PC, and it is hibernate timer. So down H, I will add force. Oh, there is nothing force in hibernate. T, and I will add 600. And if I will close this, and if I uh, uh what happened? Wait a minute, guys. Okay. I think there was an thing over there. I will edit it. Don't worry about spellings. Okay, nothing to worry about spellings. And I don't want these things over here. Don't have. Now if I run this, it will, I think it is throwing an error. Guys, wait a minute. I think I miswritten any command. Now control V, sit down. I have written this over here. Yes, guys, it was press enter. Okay, okay. Mind mistake, guys. Mind mistake. It is slash h, not this. Now, if I just run this, what problem? It is slash h now. This time slash h hibernate the local computer. You can see it does this thing, but what the problem must be used with slash s option, and what the shut down the computer. It's shut downing, setting down. I mean, and if I see this command, it's good, guys. It's much. I won't just need to do this experiment because the video goes bad now. This is OBS Studio. This much for this video. Thanks for watching. And if you also want this type of content, and for the second part, just go in comment box and uh, write part 2 over there after doing like the video. Okay, just bye. Tata. We'll meet in the next video.